Karissa here with your day 3 of the costume makeup. Today I am actually going to be doing a really cute scarecrow, hence why I have some flannel on. I've got my little straw hat. I don't have overalls, otherwise I'd wear those too, but this is just something really cute, things that you probably already have in your closet or a friend has that you can borrow. And I'm going to do a fun little makeup look for you to go with this outfit if you want to do this as a costume for this fun month of dressing up. So I'm just going to show you quickly. The colors that I'm using are Shiny Penny and Gold Status, and then I am going to be using the hot coral blush right there. I've already got my primer on and my foundation on, and I have a little bit of mascara on already, as you can see. Also did my eyebrows. Yeah, so let's get started. Let's get started with our eyeshadow colors. We are going to start first with the Gold Status, and I'm putting it all over my entire eyelid from the lashes up to the eyebrows. Obviously not going into the eyebrows, but you could to give it a little bit of shimmer. And yeah, just cover it up all really good to make sure it's got some shiny going on. And then I'm taking the Shiny Penny, and I am just covering the eyelid part that is like over the eye. I don't really know what that's called. Just that part before you get to the eyebrow bone. So the whole thing, I'm covering it with the Shiny Penny. Awesome, awesome. And then I'm taking a little bit more of the Gold Status, and I'm just going to add it to the inner corners of both my eyes to bring a little bit more sparkle there. Next, we are going to take our pencil eyeliner, and I'm going to add pencil eyeliner to the bottom of my eyelid, the bottom eyelids. And you can use the pen eyeliner or whatever eyeliner works best for you. And now for the scarecrow, I am drawing in what's like the little sewing seams, so to speak. Not doing a great job. That's kind of difficult with doing it on my phone, trying to look at the phone as I'm doing it. I'm sure you guys will make better lines than I have. And it probably will be easier to do those lines using the actual eyeliner pen that's a little bit liquid, because that will make it have like sharper, nicer looking lines. So I'm taking the eyeliner pen now, and I'm just doing a little line of eyeliner on the top, nothing too crazy. And then I'm going to add the same sewing seams, so to speak, on the same places that they are from the bottom. So if I close my eyes, it looks like they're kind of sewn shut. But obviously they're not. It's just the makeup effect. And like I said, you'll do better than I did on these eye seams. Now I am doing the shape of my nose. I'm just kind of going around that with the eyeliner pen. I made a little bit of a boo-boo there, so I have to fix that with a Q-tip and some water really fast. But like I said, just kind of do the shape of your nose, or you can do a little heart on there, or, you know, a diamond, something creative. But anyways, we're doing the same kind of effect of like it's being something that's sewn on there, like a scarecrow would have. So first I'm going to take the hot coral blush. I'm going to add a little bit to my cheeks. And then I'm going to take some and add it to that little design I drew on my nose. Okay, so that's nice and like orangey looking, but I want to make it a little bit bronze. So I'm going to add some of the Shiny Penny to it, and I'm using an eyeshadow brush so that it can actually be a little bit more condensed and add more of that like shine and glimmer to it. So I'm adding it not only to my nose but also to my cheeks. Yay, it looks so cute. And now we're gonna go back to the nose, and we're gonna draw in the sewing seams for going around the nose so that it looks like it's been sewn on or attached that way. And however you want to do that is totally up to you. I'm looking a little more like a scarecrow. Next, I'm going to do some lipstick. This is Rosewood. It's a really pretty color, a little pink, but also kind of neutral as well. And if you want to, you can even add some more of that shiny penny to the lips to give it like an overall natural or like combined look. And then I'm taking the eyeliner pen and finishing up my mouth lines. You can draw these all the way to the back of your face if you want, but I chose to just do it that far. Anyways, this is what mine looks like. If you do it, let me know, take pictures and put it in the comments. I would love to see what you guys have done if you did the Scarecrow. So fun.